we're going to learn how to do the middle block. So the middle block is to stop someone from trying to bop you or touch you right in your belly or by your face. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to sing the song that goes to the middle block song. Do you guys know how to sing Ba Ba Black Sheep? If you do, sing it with me. If you don't, you'll learn the words. Ready, set, go. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Okay, good, we're gonna leave it at that. So now, I'm gonna tell you a little story. When I was at a picnic in the summertime, I was hungry, and now what do you guys like to eat at picnics? What do you like to eat at picnics? Okay, what do you like to eat at picnics? Okay, what about you? What do you like to eat at picnics? Good. I'd like to eat sandwiches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this big basket over here. So everybody, I want you to pretend that you're eating a sandwich. Everybody reach down into your basket and start eating your sandwich. You go, oh, nom, 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 nom. Now all of a sudden, I was eating my sandwich and then I heard a sound. And that sound was, what do you think it was? So I thought it was a bee also. And then I looked around, it wasn't a bee, it was a fly. And I learned something also very, very important. Do bees like to eat people, or do bees like to eat flowers and pollen? Right? They like to go after flowers. So when I was a little boy, I used to get scared of bees because that's what I was taught. And then when a bee would come near me, I would start going like this, and then all of a sudden the bee would be afraid and think I was trying to hurt it, and it would sting me. So what I learned was if a bee comes near me or even lands on me, all it's going to do is it's going to smell me. So what happened last time was I put my hand out, the bee landed on my arm, it walked around a little bit. Was I a little scared? A little bit, but I believed that the bee was there to be my friend, and then all of a sudden the bee flew away. But if I started waving around, the bee would have stung me. So maybe that's a good idea to try. If a bee comes near you, instead of waving around and trying to scare it, maybe just take a big breath in and a big breath out, and it'll help you calm down. So now I was eating my sandwich and I heard the sound that it wasn't a bee, it was a fly. And we don't want the flies to land on our sandwiches because we know that sometimes flies also, they like to eat poop. Did you know that? Yeah, it's disgusting. So I took my sandwich and put the sandwich away, and the fly kept on coming around. So what I tried to do is I tried to swat it away. And then I tried to swat it away again. And all of a sudden it kept on working. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the middle block song. Everybody step 1 foot back, bend your knees, hands up by your ears, ready, set, go. Close your fingers. Swat, 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 middle block. Swat, 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 middle block. Aya! Nice. Let's do it again. Everybody bend your knees, hands by your ears, ready, set, go. Swat, 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 go. Swat block, swat, 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 middle block. Aya! Good job, everyone. High five. Now, we're going to practice doing the middle block when I'm going to throw the sunballs at you. Everybody show me your ready stance. Go, aya! All right, ready? So I'm going to take one of the sunballs and I'm going to throw it at your belly. And all I want you to do is I want you to keep your hands in your ready stance and go, aya! Ready to try it? Let's go. Good job. Good. Nice. Good job. Let me hear you go, aya! Nice. Good job. High five.